Hey guys, welcome back. Well, we're revved up because today is Tool Time Tip Tuesday in under 2 minutes, and I want to rip into this to see, in fact, how epic the Warren medium-duty epic recovery system actually is. Time's a-ticking. Let's get into it. Well, I can tell you right away, it's not light. The pack itself is made out of ballistic material, just in case you're in an unfriendly zone and you're looking to protect yourself from ballistic projectiles, shrapnel, bullets, etc. So you can just get underneath it. Before we take it all apart, let's try it on. It's actually pretty comfortable. But there's lots of padding in the shoulder here. I don't think I'm going to make 2 minutes. Nice pinning on the straps, nice logos. I think you'll be impressed. And then to get into the main compartment, you access it through the side. Even got a shock absorbing palm. Jeez. The cable is going through there. You got Kevlar. I just like saying Kevlar. You even got knuckle protection. I feel like I'm going into battle with this bag. Ballistic, knuckle protection, Kevlar. I love it. The logo, E-coating, 12 coats goes on these shackles. You know they're going to last. These are rated to 14,400 pounds. You got your tree trunk protector, premium recovery strap, 30 feet, rated to 14,400 pounds. Forged 3/4 epic shackles with E-coat, powder coat finish for 18,000 pound winches and under. Here's your epic snatch block with E-coat, powder coat finish for winch capacities up to 18,000 pounds. You can even lubricate here, check that out. And the Warren recovery straps are constructed of a tough, high quality nylon webbing and encased red warning marker to indicate any damage. So quick summary guys, you know, the Warren did a nice job on this kit. It looks extremely strong. You know it's gonna be strong. It's from Warren, high quality, nice finish. And they include quite a bit of gear in this. The con is inexpensive. Yeah, it's pretty expensive. Getting stuck in your truck is expensive. So the last thing I wanted to do was cheap out and the weakest link be my rigging gear. So that's my take on it. I'll leave all the description and additional details in the video notes below so you can check that out. And in the future, we're gonna do a recovery video, show the Warren winch in action, show the recovery kit in action as well, right? So I'll share that with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Clickety clack the like button. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. So guys, thanks for joining me. We'll talk to you guys later. Peace.